Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Lincoln Navigator. The Lincoln Navigator offers over 100 cubic feet of cargo space, 3 rows of seating for up to 8 passengers, and best-in-class legroom, as well as an authoritative 5.4-liter 3-valve V8 flex fuel engine. This luxury SUV is powerfully persuasive. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, remote engine start, stability control, traction control, cruise control, voice-activated navigation system, power brakes, compass, child safety locks, clock. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else